Oh my God. I gotta get behind him. I gotta get behind them.
Not always.
Oh, oh, motorcycle crash.
Rescue a rider.
Damn.
Fox.
You guys going? Hey, you want help? You guys good? I'm good, bro. All right, man. The only thing I could do is just help him up.
Scarlet. So this situation right here, this is going to be, looks like in California, but we have people wanting to go forward. He has his mirrors up so he can lane filter a little bit better. So that does remove a lot of your, it removes a lot of your vision from side to side. So you really have to start doing head checks. And that's really what that is. But if you do notice, he's going 15 miles per hour. So it's not that bad. You know, you do it if you have to. Everyone's kind of stopped.
Oh my God.
All right, so we got these Harley riders off to the right wanting to basically lane filter too, but they're going a little bit faster. Okay, we're going 22. They might be going 30 something, 35. Still not that bad, but just realize, especially, I'm going to go ahead and put this away so that you guys can see a lot of this stuff, especially that these bigger bikes, they're a lot wider. So good luck trying to lane filter. And that's why he has his mirrors up, okay, because his mirrors are sticking out a little bit. So he's got these bigger bikes wanting to lane filter. So be very aware of that. Sometimes they close in on you. Sometimes they give you the space. Sometimes they don't do anything, and then they hit you like this.
I got it.
You hear the engine revving? That's like their version of auditory, listen to me, I'm coming, I'm coming. The loud pipes save lives? No. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Please, somebody send me a study that says that's the truth. I don't know who came up with it. But auditory in a car like this, and especially all these cars, you're not going to be able to pinpoint where it's coming from. Your pipes are shooting backwards for one thing. So you can't hear and tell where somebody's coming. Okay, it's just as bad as the footsteps in Call of Duty Warzone. So you're not going to be able to figure that out. Okay, so what really is going to grab a driver's attention is vision and lights. So like lights, like not strobe lights, but pulsating lights that you can have with a headlight. You can have a modulating headlight. Little things like that is going to grab people's attention. But for the most part, you're not going to grab anybody's attention with auditory. Horns maybe, but now we're honking horns trying to get through it. It's just a crap show.
I got to get behind them. Oh.
So he's like, I'm going to get behind them. And that it shouldn't be part of your ego. That should not be a part of what you want to do just because somebody else is doing something and getting through. Okay, just ride your own ride.
Oh,
so this is the moment he realized that they crashed. This is the moment they realized they crashed. So part of the smart rider principles is rescuing another rider with medical training. So this is when you start going through your scene size up. You start doing your initial assessment. You just realized, I'm assuming he sees at least one bike on the ground, so maybe one patient. So this is where you start to go through that checklist of what do I need to do? What do I need to do? What do I need to do?
Motorcycle crash.
Okay, right here, we have 2 patients at minimum. Okay, whether he's unhurt or not, that's still 2 patients, 2 motorcyclists based off of, let's say, 35 miles an hour hitting the ground. You can have some bad issues. You can have broken bones. You can have road rash, a bunch of other things. So you can have some venous bleeding, maybe even arterial if you get really unlucky. So this is where you have that kit just in case.
Damn.
So that right there, it's a little freaky. It's like the dude's on the ground. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Let's go ahead and put this back up.
You guys going?
Boom, right there. That is walking wounded, green. Not yellow, red, or black stage. In the triage is a green, walking wounded. Not a bad thing. This is actually a good sign. So that means he has structural stability to his legs, at least to his right arm. He didn't grunt with pain. She's freaking out, but not a big deal. She wasn't involved in any type of medical incident, trauma incident. So now it's just a matter of, hey guys, you good? You good? You good? We all good? Okay, cool. It's not your mercy. Remember that.
Hey, you want help?
That's not blood. Don't worry.
You guys good? I'm good, bro. All right, man.
That's simple as it. All he did was walk up, stop to assist, ask if they needed help. They said no. End of story. Go on with your day. You did a good job for the community, did a good job for the biker community by stopping and helping. Simple as that.
The only thing I could do is just help them up, you know?